Hello, Fit in Sync family! Have you ever wondered about your knee alignment? In today's video, we'll dive into the topic of knock knees, what they are, how to identify them, and most importantly, effective solutions for correction. Let's ensure your knees are on the right track to support you every step of the way. In our first segment, we'll unravel the mystery of knock knees. We'll explore what causes this condition and how it can impact your overall posture and joint health. Understanding the root of the issue is the first step towards finding the right solution. Causes of knock knees. Knock knees, or genu valgum, can stem from various factors. One primary cause is the natural alignment of your bones. Sometimes, genetic predisposition or developmental issues during childhood can contribute to the inward curvature of the knees. Additionally, muscle imbalances, injury, or certain medical conditions may play a role in the development of knock knees. Impact on overall posture. The alignment of your knees plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall posture. Knock knees can disrupt this alignment, causing a cascading effect on your spine and pelvis. As a result, your posture may be compromised, leading to issues like lower back pain, pelvic tilt, and an increased risk of injury during physical activities. Impact on joint health. Beyond posture, knock knees can have a significant impact on joint health. The misalignment places uneven stress on the knee joints, potentially accelerating wear and tear. This imbalance may contribute to conditions like osteoarthritis over time. Understanding these implications empowers us to take proactive steps towards correction and overall joint well-being. Ever questioned if your knees have that telltale inward curve? In this part, we'll guide you through a simple self-assessment to help you identify whether you have knock knees. Knowledge is power, and knowing your body better empowers you to take proactive steps. How to identify knock knees. Self-assessment techniques. There are simple self-assessment techniques you can do at home to determine if you have knock knees. Stand in front of a mirror and observe the alignment of your knees. Are they close together while your ankles are apart, creating a noticeable gap? Does the lower part of your legs angle inward? These could be signs of knock knees. Gait analysis. Another clue is in your walking pattern. Pay attention to how your knees move when you walk. If there's a noticeable inward tilt, it might indicate knock knees. Additionally, listen to your body. Are you experiencing discomfort or pain around the knee area? These signals could be your body's way of communicating misalignment. Consulting a professional. While self-assessment is informative, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a definitive diagnosis. They may use imaging tests, like X-rays, to get a comprehensive view of your knee alignment. Seeking professional advice ensures accuracy in understanding your unique situation. By identifying knock knees early on, we pave the way for effective corrective measures. Now, let's tackle knock knees head-on with practical solutions for correction. No long talks, just actionable steps to get those knees back on track. 1. Strengthen and stretch. Hit the gym or your living room for exercises that build thigh muscle strength and stretches that focus on those inner thighs. Strength and flexibility, our secret weapons. 2. Footwear hacks. Upgrade your shoe game. Discover how the right footwear choices can play a role in aligning those knees. Simple swaps, big impact. 3. Orthotics unveiled. Dive into the world of orthotic inserts, what they are, how they work. Spoiler alert, they can be a game changer, but always consult the pros. 4. Pro tip, consistent care. No magic fix, just consistency. Stick to these moves and tips, and watch your knees transform. Remember, pros are just a call away for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us today on Fit in Sync. Remember, a journey to healthier knees starts with understanding and actionable steps. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable insights, and share this video with anyone curious about their knee health. Until next time, stay synced and stay healthy.